Hello everyone. Today I'm briefing you the function and operation of NetZero platform. There are several modules inside NetZero. The first one is the overview. It shows the overall status of energy consumption and carbon emissions. The second one is the projects. It includes the project and space management, device ledger, energy configuration, products, and device grouping. The third one is the energy. It includes the energy analysis of the whole project, or the energy analysis of specific building or space within that project. It also includes the energy saving suggestions and the detailed breakdown of the energy usage, and also the specific BMS system, for example, aircon, elevator, and lighting, and so on. This one is the event center. We can, based on our use case, to create the alarm rules, and we can view the event list and alarm notifications. This module is the carbon emission module. It includes the carbon models, emission plan, emission report, and also emission overview. This module is a scene center. We can set up the IoT automation scenes here, and it will improve the operation efficiency. This module is the access tools. It includes the conversion diagram setup and the flow plan management, and also have the construction work management. This module is the NetZero AI tools. It includes the policy templates and the policy conversion functions. This module is the smart maintenance module. We can manage the maintenance work and the personnel here. The last one is the system configurations. It includes the role access right and the user management. Let's go back to the overview to show the detailed function of the overview. The first one is the dashboard. From the dashboard, you can see the overall data of all the projects under this account. For example, how many projects under this account and how many devices. And you can also see the location inside the map. And in the right panel, you can see the overall data. For example, the energy saving and the energy used, and also how much water used, and about the carbon emission, and also the cost. You can see the data for yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, and also last 1 year. And you can see the energy consumption chart here. If you mouse over, you can see the detailed data. This also have the energy consumption ranking. This one is the project dashboard. Project dashboard will show the overall status of this particular project. For example, the device number, the overall device status, and also summary of the things, and also summary about the carbon emission. This is the energy consumption chart. And also have this real-time energy flow. For example, you can see how much energy generated by the PV system and how much we import from national grid. This is total how much energy consumed. And this is how much consumed by the EV charging, and this one how much consumed by the electricity workload. And this module, the project configuration, we can configure the project dashboard here. Like just now, the dashboard you see is configured here, and I can show you the example. For example, this one, I can add the widget here. Yeah, this is the widget list we can add to the dashboard, and we can adjust the position on the dashboard. Yeah, after we publish this dashboard, actually we can replace the project dashboard. This module is the project module. Here, the first one is the project management. From here, we can have the project list, and we can view the project details. For example, the project tab. This one is the office building, and the time zone, and the location in the map. This one is the space management. From here, we can see the building hierarchy, and we can manage the space here. And here, for example, you can also view the details inside this space. For example, the device inside under this space, and also the device grouping here. This one is the device ledger. This one is a device management module inside NetZero. We can see the details of we can see the device list here, and also can view the details of each of the device. And here we can also tag the device for different purpose. For example, this one is for HVAC, the heat station electricity. So after we assign this tagging for this power meter, so later once we collect the data from this power meter, we know the power consumption is for this HVAC heat station electricity. This one is the energy configuration. We can configure the electricity price and also the water price. And here we also have the device topology. We can set up the topology here. For example, this is for smart meter, and this is for water meter, and also can set up for gas meter. This one is the product. Product show all the product category we support in this project. And here shows, for example, all the gateway product we support. For example, here we support 4 different gateway products. And if you click this view, you can see the details. This is all the product function point inside this product. This is the device grouping. Because some of the system is complicated, it will have several subsystems. So we can group the components together. For example, if we edit this one, we can see the group information. Yeah, for example, it includes the air conditioner, fan coil unit, thermostat panel, and also fresh air unit. This is the energy module. The first one is the energy analysis. It will show the detailed analysis data of the energy consumption. For example, this is the electricity atom ranking. It will show the detailed info about the energy consumed. And this is the total energy consumption, and this is the total cost. And also you can view it by day, or by week, or by month. And this is the electricity analysis, and this is the cost analysis for electricity. And this is the water analysis, and also the water cost. This is the carbon emission data for every 30 minutes. Yeah. And this is the data for the day and the night, the average data and also the maximum data. This is a smart energy module. The smart energy module, it will show the energy saving inside NetZero. For example, here you can see the details, how much energy we saved for this system. And here it also have the energy saving suggestions. Yeah, and also have the comfort suggestion. Yeah, once we accept this suggestion, it will apply in the system. This one is the energy usage forecast, and we can have the forecast for the energy usage for the future, and also the cost forecast. This is for water. This is the energy footprint. From here, we can see the detailed breakdown of the energy consumption. And for example, if you want to know which one is consume the energy the most and which one consume the least, you can see it clearly from here. This is the air conditioner system. Yeah, this one is the overall information, and here it has a device list. We have 3 different modes to show the device. This is the list mode, and we also have the floor plan mode. From the floor plan, you can see the location on the floor plan, the location of the device on the floor plan, and you can also see the configuration mode. From here, you can visually see each of the sub-component and the connection and also the status. This is for supply and exhaust. This is for drainage. This is for elevator. This is for cooling system. Yeah, you can also see the configuration mode here. This is for heat source, and this is for lighting. For lighting, it has both device control and also have a group control. For device control, for example, if you want to control individual lighting, you can control it here. For example, you can switch on off, can adjust the temperature, color temperature, and also can adjust the brightness. And here shows the device status, and here have the device log. You can also have the group control here for lighting. Yeah, for example, you can turn on a group of light in one time. Now here also have the scene control. For example, I can create a scene to turn on the light in the morning and turn off the light after work. And I can also create a one-click scene. For example, turn on the light by a scene click. Just a one button click, I can turn on all the light. This is the event center. Here, the first one is the alarm rules. We can create the alarm rules by ourselves. And here show all the event list. If you want to see the details, you can view it here. Here is the message center. It will show all the system messages here. And here is the operation log. All the user operation will be logged here. In the future, if you want to troubleshoot or trace back, you can check the log here. This is a carbon model. For this one, the first one is a carbon model. Here, we have different carbon model for different countries. Because different countries, the carbon model parameters will slightly be different. Yeah, for example, all these carbon model parameters. Here is the emission plan. We can set up the emission plan here. For example, we can set up the start date and the target date, and also the total carbon emission target. Once we set up it, it will automatically generate the carbon emission plan. And then every month we will collect the power consumption data. Then it will convert to the carbon emission data, and we can compare the actual carbon emission with the plan. Yeah, to see if anything off track or still on track. If anything off track, we can take the action immediately. Here is the emission report, and we can create a new report here. Here is the emission overview. From here, you can see the overall status of the carbon emission. For example, the total carbon emission number and also carbon reduction. And here also show you the carbon emission, how much from the electricity and how much from the hot water. This is the detailed analysis, and this is the overall status. And this is the carbon emission balance still have. This one is the scene center. Here we can create the scenes. Actually, the scene is a scenario-based management. Yeah, for example, we can turn on the light in the morning, and we can turn off the light at night. Yeah, so we can create the scene here. And we can also create the one-click scene. For example, we turn on all the light by only one button click. If you want to see the details, you can click the view to see the details. This is the Access Tools module. Just now you see the configuration mode. So all the configuration design is managed here. And the floor plan also managed here. For example, you can view the floor plan, and you can also configure the device on the floor plan. And here is the construction space. Here is when we deploy the project, we need to configure the hardware device. So we can divide the conversion work into different space. Then after that, we can manage the work, and also can manage the personnel to configure the hardware device. This is a NetZero AI tools. Here we can create the template. Here you can check the details. For example, this template is for HVAC energy saving strategy. After we create this template, we can apply this template to different space. For example, we applied this template to the Jolly Center, to the whole building. This one is a smart maintenance. The smart maintenance is after we deploy the project, we will go to the operation and the maintenance stage. So if anything we need to do, we can create a work order. And here we can manage the work order status here. And we can also manage the maintenance personnel here. This is the system configuration. We can configure the access right for different roles, and we can create a new role. And we can add in new users and assign the proper role for this user so that this user will have the proper access right. This one is the energy suggestions center. It will show all energy suggestion here. This one is the alarm center. If you have a new alarm, it will pop up the alarm here. This is to show the account login. Yeah, this is all the function of the NetZero. That's all. Thank you.